The full moon represents clarity and completion. It brings creative outpourings and rewards, so take action and know that the odds are in your favor. Whatever is done at this time can be sacred and powerful. Sleeping with a full moon can be challenging for some people. That's why many witches use this time to have an esbat. Esbats are coven meetings, which can also be a celebration of lunar energy. Solitary witches are encouraged to nourish their magic and celebrate too. What to do on a full moon? The full moon radiates a sacred, powerful glow. Here are a few ideas. Self-care rituals. The full moon is the best time to cut your hair, since it promotes a stronger and faster growth. Skin treatments are also enhanced by this phase, as during this lunar cycle, our skin is at its most absorbent. If you have only a little time each month for a pampering ritual, make it now. Charge your moonstones. This is a perfect time to charge a crystal with an intention. Selenite is a gemstone that works in perfect harmony with the full moon. Simply place your crystals outside in the moonlight, or next to a candle that will attract and transmit its energy to them. Use these guided meditations to charge and activate your gemstones. Google Crystal Attunement Spells 8 to find them online. Take a lunar bath. This is a great ritual for new witches. Simply find the moon in the sky and dedicate your bath to the moon. If you need ideas, follow this recipe. You can also take a walk and bathe in the moonlight as you chant a prayer to mirror its light and energy. Draw down the moon. Renewal and blessing are the main ingredients of this beautiful evocation. Meditate by the moonlight and connect with higher realms, especially those related to the energy of the moon, and activate your lunar powers. Be aware of the lunar transit. The moon moves quickly around the zodiac, completing an entire cycle in 28 days. This full moon will be passing through one of the 12 zodiac signs, exalting its energy. Can you feel it? Google tonight's moon spell to find out tonight's lunar transit and its correspondences, and align your meditation to the zodiac rhythm. Add pages to your Book of Shadows. Find printable spells and pages for your grimoire or spell collection. Visit Spells 8 to find a free printable lunar calendar for this year, and never miss a full moon. Make full moon water. Charge your water under the full moon with this video recipe. Store it in a bottle and use it to boost your spells and manifestations. Divinations and any ritual practice in which you need to strengthen your spiritual powers will see benefits. Just place a cup of moon water on your altar during your practice. The energy of a full moon will boost any spell work. Practice your divination skills and short-term spells for guidance, prosperity, love, and anything else. This guided spell works as a road opener for love. It will work for anyone that needs a boost of self-love or an amorous ritual to clear the ways to a new love life. You will need a pink candle, 3 flowers, incense, and essential oil. Google Fire Flowers spell to find this Wiccan recipe. Another super easy ritual that works in a similar way is charging water under the full moon. This Wiccan ritual includes a chant to manifest money with the help of water, a quarter, and a cauldron. Harness the energy of this full moon by working out your magical powers. Visit our curated collection of beautiful spells for beginners and experienced witches. Remember that 10 minutes of meditation every day can make an earthly difference. Find daily Wiccan meditations at spells8.com, and have a blessed full moon.